I'm Melissa and welcome to Empress of Dirt. If you enjoy creative and frugal garden ideas, you've come to the right place. This was my garden when we moved here, and here it is just a few years later. But I promise you it's not about perfection. My love of gardening is all about the journey, not the destination. It's about finding contentment through nature, creativity, and the changing of the seasons. My two main obsessions are growing plants and making garden art. I grow a large variety of flowering perennials, veggies, herbs, and fruits, and love experimenting with various plant propagation methods to get more free plants. Most of my garden art is made from items you find around the house or a thrift shop. And I love building practical and sometimes unusual things like raised beds, privacy walls, and this lean-to greenhouse. If you enjoy creative organic gardening, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I look forward to having you along for the ride.